Locust Pose. Lie on your stomach. Bring your feet hip-width distance apart and bring your arms by your sides. Palms on the mat facing down. Rest your forehead on the floor. Inhale, raise your head and your chest. Keep pressing the tops of your feet, hips, and palms onto the mat as you reach fingertips back towards your toes. Extend your chest forward and keep the back of your neck long. As you breathe out, draw your abs up and in to support you. Hold the pose for 5 slow, full breaths. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, slowly lower down.